You probably clicked on this video because of the thumbnail, but hold on. This isn't just another clickbait. Stay with me until the very end, and I promise your entire perspective on women will completely change. I know that sounds like a bold claim, but hear me out. What if I told you that everything you think you know about love is a lie? We've all been told that women fall for the nicest guy, the richest guy, or the best-looking guy. But let me let you in on a secret. Women don't fall for men. At least, not in the way you think. It's not your face, your money, or even your personality. They fall for something much deeper, much more primal, something psychological. And if you don't understand this, you will always feel like love is some kind of mystery that you just can't solve. But by the end of this video, you won't just understand how women think. You'll know exactly how to make them feel something so powerful they won't ever forget you. Let's jump in. Sign 1. Women don't love you. They love how you make them feel. Let me share a secret with you that most men will never grasp. Women don't love you. Not your face, not your wallet, and not even your personality. What they love is how you make them feel. Love, for women, isn't built on logic and reason. It's a storm. It's an emotional roller coaster they never want to get off. You could be the most handsome, successful, well-dressed man in the room, but if she doesn't feel something powerful when she's around you, she'll forget you in an instant. Psychologists call this emotional imprinting. It's why a woman can meet two men on the same day. One who says all the right things but bores her, and another who teases her, challenges her, and makes her laugh so hard she can't breathe. Guess who she'll be thinking about that night? It's not the safe choice. It's the one who made her feel alive. This is where most men go wrong. They try to impress her with accomplishments. They try to win her over with logic. But the truth is, the men women obsess over are the ones who create tension, excitement, mystery, and comfort. They create a thrill that she can't get enough of. Ever wondered why women always go back to their exes even when they swear they're done? It's not because of who he is. It's because of how he made her feel. Sign 2. The more you chase, the less she feels. Let me ask you something. Have you ever sent a text and waited hours for a reply? Have you ever felt that slow, burning anxiety, wondering if she's losing interest? Now flip the script. Have you ever had someone who's too available? Someone who texted back instantly, who said yes to everything you asked? How did that make you feel? Here's the thing. Women are wired for anticipation. A man who is always there, texting back immediately, and always available creates zero tension. And tension is what makes attraction electric. Here's the harsh truth. When you chase, you destroy the very thing that could make her fall for you. It's simple psychology. We don't value what's always there. We crave what we might lose. The minute she knows she has you, her brain relaxes. And that's when attraction fades. This is why high-value men never chase. They lead. They let a woman come to them, and when she does, they don't give her everything at once. They create mystery. They make her wonder. And the second she stops wondering about you, that's when she starts forgetting you. Sign 3. Women don't want a nice guy. They want an unshakable man. Now let's talk about the nice guy epidemic. A lot of men think being nice means saying yes to everything, never disagreeing, never standing their ground. But let me ask you, would you respect a man who never challenges you? Would you trust a leader who always bends? Of course not. Women are drawn to strength, but not just physical strength. Emotional strength. The kind of man who doesn't flinch under pressure, who doesn't beg for approval, who can walk away from anyone, even her, if he has to. This is why women are addicted to stoic men. A man who isn't reactive. A man who stays calm in chaos. A man who, when tested, and trust me, she will test you, doesn't fold like wet paper. A woman doesn't need another friend. She doesn't need a therapist. She needs a man who stands firm when everything else is shaking. Sign 4. Love is a game of perception, not reality. Let's talk about one of the biggest illusions in love, the idea that people fall for each other based on reality. You might think a woman falls for you because of who you are, what you do, or how you treat her. But here's the hard truth. She's not falling in love with you. She's falling in love with the story she's created about you in her mind. This is called cognitive projection. It's the tendency to project her own emotions, desires, and expectations onto you. When a woman meets you, she's not experiencing you as you are. She's experiencing you through a lens shaped by her past, her insecurities, her fantasies, and her subconscious beliefs. This is why a woman can go from being deeply in love to completely indifferent, seemingly overnight. It's not that you changed, it's that her perception of you changed, and perception is everything. Sign 5. If she feels safe, she'll never leave. After everything we've discussed, the emotional highs, the mystery, the perception, there's one final truth about love that overrides everything else. At her core, a woman doesn't stay because of how much she loves you. She stays because she feels safe. I'm not just talking about physical safety, that's a given. I'm talking about emotional safety. The deep, subconscious certainty that when she's with you, she's protected, both from the outside world and from her own emotional chaos. Women's emotions shift like the tide. One day they're passionate and obsessed. The next, they're distant and unsure. And in a world where her emotions are constantly in motion, the one thing she craves more than anything else is a man who is unshakable. Most men think being emotionally strong means being distant or emotionless. That's wrong. The strongest men aren't cold, they're consistent. A woman feels safe when she knows you won't break under pressure, when she knows you won't lash out when things go wrong, when she knows you won't let her emotions dictate your actions. Think about the most attractive men in history, the ones women wrote love letters to, the ones they chased for years, the ones they never got over. They weren't just physically strong. They had a presence, a deep, calm, steady energy that made a woman feel like nothing could shake them. So here's the key takeaway. The women who never lose interest, the ones who never stray, and the ones who never stop loving you are the ones who feel safe with you. They've found a man who makes them feel secure in a way no other man can. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm here to give you strategies that will make you stand out. Stay sharp, stay stoic, and let them chase.